Welcome back to Backroad Driver. I'm Brad Miser. Behind me is my 2020 Shelby GT350. We've done some exhaust and performance mods on this car, but today we're gonna do something really cool. Did it sound awesome stock? Absolutely. GT350's flat plane crank sounds wonderful, but we've actually added long tube headers, a Corsa X pipe with resonator deletes, a JLT cold air intake, a custom Palm Beach dyno tune. Today we're gonna install the Grimm Speed active exhaust delete. And you may say, why would you want to delete active exhaust? Because those startups, man. And we need this thing to start up at full-blown track mode. If you've got a Mustang GT or a GT350 or probably a GT500, you know what I'm talking about. You don't want to start this thing up in quiet mode. I promise in this video we're going to show this ripping down the road. We'll have a couple different camera angles. It's going to be awesome. Now let's get this dude up on a lift and get this installed. So the device is real simple. It's just a little piece of plastic. It's got some circuits in there. So we've unplugged the active exhaust. We're going to plug this little switch into this, which will basically dead end it. And then we'll twist tie that back up into itself so it's out of the way. Pop, and now we won't get a code when this thing starts up. So you can't just unhook it, you have to have this dead end. We've got it twist tied back to itself, out of the way. Exhaust is over here. We'll throw the other side on real quick and see what it sounds like. Now the exhaust flaps are stopped open and there's nothing to tell them to close, and the cutoff defeat device doesn't allow the system to throw a code. So we should be all loud all the time. We did find an exhaust problem where a crossover is actually broke. So I was getting a ton of rattle back here. I thought it was the baffles getting blowed out from the exhaust, but it's actually cracked cross member. So we're just gonna chop that off because we don't need it. We've got a hanger on each side. So that thing's gonna get cut over here and we're back on the road. We're gonna get Leah, my wife's opinion on what the new cold start sounds like. So this is the first cold start with the new setup.
It just sounds like it hurts the car. It's so loud.
As promised, we're gonna go ripping this thing now, but before we do, go ahead and hit subscribe down below if you like this type of content. We've got the GT350, we've got a Supercharged F-150, a 2021 F-150 will be delivered any day now, and we've also got 2 first edition Broncos coming to the channel in June. So guys, hit subscribe, and if you're already a subscriber and you haven't turned on that bell, turn on that notification bell and help us out here at Backroad Driver. Let's rip. I just want you guys to hear what it sounds like inside the car when we rev. I've just got the windows down. You get all kinds of cracks and pops now. The X pipe did most of that, but these baffles being open, even when you're in 6th gear now, you got a little rumble. I want to show you guys what a pull feels like inside the car. I won't tell you how fast that was. Hit red line in 2nd. This thing's quick. I look forward to showing you guys more of it. If you want more video on the GT350, we've got an entire playlist that I'll show in the end card, and down in the description you can see everything we've done so far.